Hey guys, so here is baby Aiden, and he's just wearing a simple onesie today. Yeah, and we're about to go for a walk. Hopefully the weather can stay dry for just a little bit, but we'll see. Anyway, here he is. Now I'm going to cover him up, and we're going to be on our way. Okay, so I have him bundled, and we are walking. It's a gravel road, so it's a little bumpy, but other than that, I'm taking a walk, and then there's a really nice view where I'm going, so I will show that to you as soon as we get there. So I am here at my spot. Looks like someone's been doing a lot of work. Looks like they might be getting ready to probably build a home here. I'm not sure. Or somebody just felt like cutting down a whole bunch of wood, or better yet, trees. But here is Aiden. He got bundled. He's kind of chilly today. And yeah, so there used to be a lot of trees there, but not so much anymore. Anyway, how I do this is I step on this rock, and then there is the view. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's beautiful. Better when it's hot. Well, not hot, but you know, warm, and the sun is out, and you can actually see it better. But yeah. Oh, and it's very beautiful when the sun sets. But I don't even see a sun right now, and the clouds are like, the sky's not blue, because it's just a chilly day today. Not chilly enough to wear a coat, but yeah, so that's what the view looks like. Anyway, here is Aiden again. He is in his car seat, in his snap-in go. I had to give it a little wipe down before I put his car seat on it, because living where there's gravel and then cars that like to speed by, brings up a lot of dust. So yeah, and I guess there's a house down here that has a lighthouse. Looks like a lighthouse, at least. That's what my mother-in-law calls it. But anyway, we are going to start walking home. Oops. So yeah. And then maybe I can, when we get back, I can show you what I am staying in at the moment. It's like camping. We've been there for over a year. Since May 21st, I believe, or 20th of 2013. My mother-in-law is ready for us to leave, but my husband has to find a awesome paying job to do that. So they're hiring in the shipyard, and we keep telling him, you know, you need to apply, but he's a procrastinator, so there's just something he isn't doing. Anyway, hopefully soon I will be able to do day in the life videos. At the moment, it's not possible. So anyway, I will start recording again when we get back. And yeah, see you in a bit. Hey guys, so we are back, and I will show you what we have been living in the past year, hopefully not for very much longer. Back up. We've been staying in this. This trailer is actually a year old. My mother and father-in-law got this just specifically for us to live in. So yeah, that's what we've been living in. So it's not very big. Right now it's just housing 5 of us. Of course my son is at his cousin's house right now. And then my youngest daughter is on vacation with her best friend. So yeah. So we have chairs out here to sit on. It's my son's games. I keep telling him if he doesn't put them away, I'm going to throw them out. Not very much room inside, so we have the laundry out here. But I make sure I keep it up so it doesn't overflow. Here's my granddaughter's jumperoo. Because of the gravel, I keep rugs under there so that doesn't hurt her little feet. And then her high chair, which is probably wet because it's been raining. But yeah, so this is our temporary home. That window there is my privacy room. It's not a very big room. And here's our car. Anyways, there's that Aiden again. He's just so cute. Anyway, and then I get him inside, and then I'll probably get these videos uploaded. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.